Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We could do an XRP pump event, however, we're not going to. This is exactly what we anticipated, exactly what we prepared for, and now we do nothing. Real investors bought this at 38 cents. We did. We bought it at 38 cents. I sold it for a profit to go mainstream media and to be fully transparent and only own the S&P so I could provide the best, most honest service to my members. But we've always said there is a clear short-term path to $10, so why would we sell it for $2.55 and scratch around in the dirt when we could be taking profits off the table like a king? We've had the crash. We've had trade wars. They are coming to an end. Inflation is down. Blood on the streets was everywhere. But now there's excitement in the city. Are you starting to celebrate and get excited? Well, XRP is where it's at. It's outperforming Bitcoin. Is it the new Bitcoin? Well, it's a lot more flipping useful. There's no doubt about that. Can it flip Bitcoin? Can it replace Bitcoin? Well, the economy has still got some concerns. Don't get too excited. However, XRP could be the way forward. But why trade it? Why scratch around in the dirt? Hold on. Don't get stressed. Don't buy now. Don't buy with FOMO. Fear of missing out. Do your calculations. Understand why you bought it in the first place. And simply hold. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's a wonderful day today. We discussed on the previous stream, you might want to go and check it out. Trump style, deal in China or no deal in China. Peace in Ukraine or no peace in Ukraine. India ceasefire or no ceasefire. Futures and Bitcoin prediction 150,001. It's a wonderful morning to be in the market, but I hope that you don't get too excited and buy XRP. You don't need to. You've probably by now got more XRP than you'll ever need to reach all your goals and targets. Allow it to go to $10. With a definite path, whether we'll get there or not is yet undecided, but a definite possible path. And when I say a path, I mean you can see the path to $100. It's completely doable. Will it happen? Well, we don't know, but it certainly can get there. So if you're already in, why would you want to buy at the rally and lose your opportunity of these huge gains? Just stay where you are. XRP. Brilliant. Okay, let's go to our comments and questions in the chat, and let's see who we've got here this morning. Just before we move on to our next big story. JJ8Ball just became a member. Hello, welcome to you. RB, hello all, and here today. Hi, RB. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Mother's Day was beautiful. Wonderful stuff. XRP from DJ Hayes. Morning, Saab. Good morning to you. If you've not tapped the like button yet, please do. And consider subscribing to the channel. That would be absolutely wonderful as well. Road to $3. Let's go. Why 3? We are looking at 10. 10 is completely doable. Why do we need to focus on 3? We didn't buy this to go $2.50 to $3. What would be the sense of that? Why would you buy a speculative asset with no fundamental value? Ripple network, value, banks making money. XRP is only the token. It's only the representation of the real money. So I'll own Ripple when it enters the S&P 500, which it no doubt will. So I will own it and I'll never sell it. So why am I interested in trading this for $3? Look at the long term of XRP, and we see $10. So why even be concerned or even focusing on a $3 target? I would say that's a complete and utter waste of time. But anyway, that's my thoughts on it. M.O. Moof. No idea what that means. We've got someone saying something that makes no sense in the chat. Martin, do we give you the Discord code and ticket in this chat? Wadey, I think I've already done yours, didn't I, Wadey? Let me have a look. Wadey, yes, you do. Yes, you do. I'm ready to upgrade you. So you've got to be quick. The time is running out. You've only got 3 days to go. So yes, Wadey, put your ticket number and code in the chat, and I will upgrade you and you'll have the free service. Just note, it's not the same as the premium service. That's a couple of bucks a month. You won't get the training videos that are coming out. XRP, I love it. Jesse, good morning, Saab. No FOMO here. I wish everyone the best. XRP, good morning, Stephen Lewandowski. Good morning, Saab. Hello, everyone. Hope you're well. Good morning, Mike. What about those who have just started watching? If going to 10 is 256, not a good entry point. No, it isn't. Sorry to say that, but remember, there's no fundamental value. We know where it's going, but we've got a pump today on no news. So if you buy now, there's nothing wrong with that if you've just entered. However, you're gambling. You're buying because of emotion, and that will always end badly. So just bear that in mind. I've missed the reason why we swap streams. You have 507. I missed the reason why we swap streams. Why? Because we'll have even more now, David. And the last stream was its own video. It was about China, deal, and where we go next. This is about XRP. Remember, it's not about how many numbers I get, how many people watching. It's about providing a value of service. Good morning from Missouri. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Martin and Lucas Aid family. To the Moon family, road to millionaires. Let's go. Hi, Martin. Can you update me in Discord when you have a chance? I have my ticket number. I have a ticket number and code. Well, then, Simon, you need to give it to me then. There's no point just telling me. What's the point of that? You've got to give me your ticket number. Otherwise, I can't do anything, Simon. You've got to give me your ticket number and your code, and I can do it. I've been waiting for you to do it. I gave you the code. It's me who gave it to you. You need to give it to me. I know what the code is. We are now making gains. $10 is conservative. Not really. What is your... It's based upon facts and principles rather than just guessing. That's not what we do on this channel. We don't guess anything. What is your NVIDIA strategy? Is it safer than your XRP or SNP? I own thousands of NVIDIA through the S&P 500. That's the better way of buying it. Good morning. Any comment or insight into graphene? I have not. I've never looked at it. I'm sorry, I've not done any analysis. Me too. Please, for Discord, yeah, give me your Discord, give me your ticket number and your code, and I can do it. Any thoughts on? Good morning to you. Thank you so much for what you're doing. My pleasure. My pleasure. Hi all. Any thoughts on where to throw $500 into the market this morning? Nowhere. Sorry, nowhere at all. Unless you want to buy Virgin Galactic, which is about to short squeeze. Good morning. 3, not even all-time high. Well, Picky Poll, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Charmaine. Good morning to you. Greetings from Guatemala. Trump news out. Yeah, we've already covered it. Hope we're all happy. My daughter's in a lot of... daughter's been let out of hospital. Poor, and it's my oldest daughter's birthday. Also, green win-win. Wonderful. Am I good in Discord? I can get in and around, but not sure with update if I need to do anything else. If you can see the channels, you're done. Martin, my Discord ticket number is 45 and code is right. This is Simon Meadows. Let me have a look. Simon Meadows, what is your badge? Let me just scroll up a moment. Yes, 6-month badge. Yes, I can now give you role of member. I'm doing that now. Profile. There you go. Add a role. Member. There you go. Close the ticket. It's done. You are done. Simon Meadows, it's not the premium service, but you are done. Your ticket is done. David, it will always have a pullback. You can see, by the way, poor man, rich man, if you've got a membership badge next to your name, then you know it's done. That is your identification. Exactly. Stacey's right. Never invest more than you can lose. And if not, you have no patience. Thanks for always being straightforward and honest. Always. It's the only way to do it. Not here to sell videos. I'm here to provide a service to my members. XRP, a ton of news while the markets were suppressed. This is a spring uncoiling. I would buy XRP to 3, XRP 10, 15, end of year. Good luck to you. When there is real tough news, that could rocket even more than it's today. Hi. I wonder if Sensei wants to do a special video today. Let me call Sensei up. Let me see if Sensei wants to do a live event today. Buy now, you probably hold a bag later, but on red days. $3 is just a point where we need to get to. Martin, to close above. I think that's what Steve referring to before we go further. I get your point. What happens was also my thoughts, Sub. Hopefully another Archer dip today, almost like other stocks. Jesse, good morning to you. It's a lovely sunny and warm day here in Suffolk, England. Sun shining and XRP pumping. God is good all the time. I couldn't get hold of Sensei. Do you want to do a XRP event today? I'm going to give this show to Sensei. XRP event. Let's see if he responds to that. Thoughts on Tap Global card? I have no knowledge of it at all. Bitcoin could fly now. I can see everything. Thank you for everything, Martin. Great. What news came out? Why the pump? It's because of China. That's what's going on this morning. Let's go. 261. I have 5,000 XRP. Respect the pump. IOL. Awesome. Thank you for the confirmation verification. Currently up 30% on XRP. I'm loving this. Taking the profits. Taking profits at 310. I wouldn't do that. Is that MSK coin a buy? Good family. Good morning. It's about to take BTC. We got BTC at 150,000. YXRP is pumping. What news? Martin, will you ever buy XRP again? Personally, no, because it's not the right thing for the show. If I buy it, I become a pump and dump YouTuber. I'm not. I'm the world piano man. I'm a TV broadcaster. I'm not interested in pumping stocks. I'm here to provide value to my members. That's it. Simple as that. Okay. So here's my portfolio today. The S&P 500, I've made just short of 11 grand. I've made $60,000 now over the last few weeks. Just like I said I would. And I'm not selling anything. I'm certainly not buying anything. That would be the most insane thing in the world to do. But there we go. XRP is pumping. For those that just joined, let me explain exactly what has happened this morning. But before I do, we want to share this news out to the world. So consider subscribing. Oops, a daisy. I think today we could hit 80,000 subscribers on our channel. Look at this. Look at it rolling round. 79,803. If everyone subscribes now, we could go to 80,000. And then we are zooming in on that 100,000. So thank you very much for considering. But right now, though, what we want to do is have an XRP pump event. We want to have some fun. Our opening stream this morning, I wasn't celebrating at all. Made 60 grand in a few days, and I haven't celebrated a thing. I don't need to. I've got no intention. I'm looking forward now. What comes next? It's not about me. It's about providing value to you. So I knew I was going to be up. That's of no consequence whatsoever. Let's get 500 likes to share this out to more people. You ready? Okay, let's have some fun. Let's pump this up. You ready, folks? All right, let's go. We want 100 likes. No, we don't. We want 500 likes. Sod it. 500 likes. Let's go. We're going to start off with 52. Let's refresh the screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. XRP now to $10. 132. Let's get it moving. All right. Good, 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 good. 177. This is very, very exciting. XRP is moving now. There we go. 263. 9.5%. Tell the world about XRP. And you can go one step further as well. You can go one step further because it's on my X account this morning. I announced it. No, I didn't. I didn't announce it. Oh, well, you can't share it then, can you? Never mind. Doesn't matter. If you want my X account, there it is anyway. 250. We're halfway there. Let's get 500 likes. XRP to $10 now. This could happen as quick as today. Could be a 4x. Could be. I certainly would not be selling. We're now up to 256. Let's get to 300 and then we'll open the phone lines up. The S&P up 6.79. 10%. 264. Share this out. It's a good day. Oh, yeah. What an awesome day. All this stuff is happening all at once. 301. 264. We've got 11 minutes before the bell. 306. We done it. That'll do for me. That'll do for me, donkey. That'll do for me. Let's enjoy that. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like that. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go. All right, we did it. We got where we wanted to be. That is absolutely fantastic. Look at it go now. 265, up nearly 11%. It's broken this the level we were looking at. So yes, would love to. So if you want Sensei, okay, set it up to follow my EVTL. All right. Okay, I'm going to ask the audience. Okay, who would like a special technical chart analysis XRP event, a trading special event by Sensei? Let's have a look. Let's set a goal. I think we'll set a goal. I think we'll set a goal for it. Let's see if we can get, if anybody wants this. We'll do 10 and we'll do it for, it's got to be 15 minutes, a very, very quick one for a Sensei XRP special. All right, there you go. Start the goal. All right, if we get in the chat at the top, if we get 10 $5 super chats, Sensei will come live and do an XRP. He'll push me off the show. I won't be doing what I'm doing, and we shall get Sensei on the show to do an XRP technical chart special. Okay? So you've got till about the time the bell goes. You haven't got that long. So if we're going to do that, that's you've got to let's see in the chat. Let's see if we hit the goal. So what you do is you go to the top of the page. You can see in the chat, there's a goal here. Can you see it there? Look, it says right there. If you click on it, what it says is, there you go. Goal ends in, goal ends in 14 minutes. For Sensei XRP special. It's counting down. If we get 10 $5 super chats, Sensei will come live. He wasn't planning on doing a live stream today, but if we get that, then I can pay his wages. How about that? We can get him on the show. So if you'd like to do that, we will certainly send you there. Very, very exciting. So let's see if we get anybody do that. All right, so Sensei is standing by to see. If not, we'll go on to our next story. Let me refresh the Wall Street. Here we go. Let me refresh this. We've got 7 minutes before the bell goes. Let's get excited. Okay. Okay, I believe Brian Bynum has just gifted some memberships by the looks of things. That's exciting. I don't think we've got any. Oh, here we go. Here's our first one. 9 to go.
Fonzie donated $5 through a super chat.
9 to go. Let's see if we get this to happen. Sensei's waiting to set up a stream. Look, it's you're running out of time, so I don't know if it's going to happen or not. You have to be really, really quick if we are going to do this. Fonzie says, yeah. Oh, Fonzie's here. Eee. I love it. Why did he leave this channel with 548 people watching? He left. David Ewan. Oh, hang on a minute. That's the last stream. What are we looking at now? Hang on a minute. Let me bring this in here. There we go. Pop that out. We've got, how long have we got to go before the bell goes?
At those places.
Yeah.
How good.
Right,
Watching.
understood. All right, we got a big rally, probably 5+ minutes away when we open right here.
member.
Don't forget, you can catch us anytime, anywhere by listening to and following the Squawk on the Street Opening Bell podcast.
Don't need that. Okay, we're waiting for the bell. Sensei is just watching the chat, see if he's going to do a live stream. XRP is gaining 262. It's just fallen a bit from where it was. We got another new member. Okay, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and get something special. I'm going to get something special now. Okay, so what are we up to now? We got two. We need 8 more in the next few minutes. So let's see. I've got something special to share with you. We've got a new, this is our XRP to the moon. This is our the official logo. We pay a license to Ripple to bring you this. It's not one of those rip-off ones. This is a real XRP logo, approved and agreed. Well, not approved, it's their logo. We pay a license to XRP. Cheers, everybody.
God donated $5 through a super chat.
Okay.
Go Sensei.
How many have we got now? We just got 2. So we've only got 5 minutes to go. I don't know if we're going to do it or not. So it depends on you. Sensei will come back and do a live show. So anyway, this is exciting, isn't it? This is really, really exciting. We've got 3 minutes to go before the bell. We're waiting to see what happens. Markets are still going up. XRP is just trimming a little bit. Sensei is watching and waiting to see if he's going to go live. We don't know if it's going to happen yet. Consider subscribing to the channel. We could hit 80,000 live on the show. Look at this. It's going up really quick. Look at that. 80,000 live on the show. Another new member. This is amazing. Look at this. 80,000 live on the show. I hope it happens on Sensei's show because XRP is his baby today. So I'd like it to happen on Sensei's show. Look at that. Ooh, moving quickly now. Who's going to become 80,000th subscriber? All right, brilliant stuff. Let's get 600 likes. We're up to 383. Right. Sensei is just, he said, I'm watching. We've got just 2 super chats. We need 8 more at $5 if we're going to go live with Sensei. Let me just see what we're doing here. We've got 1 minute to 1.5 minutes to go. I want to see what we're going to cover next. Okay, 8:45.
Ricardo Rivera has become a member.
Okay, 8:40. Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I know what I'm going to do. I've got it all going on here. I'm excited about what we're going to do for you now. It doesn't look like we're going to do the XRP for Sensei. We've only got 2. We need 8 more, and then I mean Sensei's in his studio. Is he going out, or is he going to stay in and do a live broadcast for me on XRP today? We're waiting to see. We need 8 more $5 super chats to do that. Right, let's get ready for the bell. I wonder if it will happen or not. Oh, there's a third one. 3. We're up to 3 now, so we're nearly there. Okay, we're about to ring the bell.
There they do, and then they
Let's
sell
get
themselves
ready.
to big pharma.
That was your M&A,
and that's how it works.
Right.
And you would disrupt that flow.
If
By
you
the
want
way,
an
Lena Khan
XRP
also wanted
special,
to disrupt that flow,
the technical
'cause she
chart
wasn't letting these
special with
companies get
Sensei,
sold.
Remember, she
he's
was giving
preparing
more done, but
to
I
go
will tell
live
you,
if we
in
get
terms of
7 more.
price to earnings,
We've got
multiple
3 out of 7.
these
Okay, here we
trade
go.
like
Get ready for a big
steel
day.
You know, you've got a quality company like Pfizer. I know it hasn't shot the lights out, 7.5 times earnings. I've always felt that Merck has
15,
some good science.
14,
you got that 8 times
13,
earnings.
12,
you've got J&J,
11,
which we
10,
no one ever thinks a AAA
9,
balance sheet that it's
8,
doing
7,
badly.
6,
That's back to
5,
14 times,
4,
which is considered
3,
to be unbelievably
2,
low for a
1.
Feels like we either celebrate the advancements in cancer and obesity, or we
The
complain
bell
about the
has
pricing.
gone.
And we do both.
Cheers,
all the time.
everybody, by the way. Welcome to the show.
Who's in fault? The easiest ones to pick at. If we had David Ricks on the show, David Ricks would break it out for us in a way that you would just say, they're not expensive. And that is, by the way,
XRP just trimming for the moment. This might be an entry point now. This might be an entry point. This is why I said wait, have patience for a pullback. This could be an entry point now. You could start laddering in now if you are out and you're never in this in the first place. Many of you are asking, should we do it? Well, now is your chance, maybe.
You think they want to become a major pharmaceutical company?
Okay, let's go, 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 go. Let's look at all our positions and see what is moving. moving this morning. Okay, here's our overall portfolio. We're up today just under $11,000. The S&P is just trimming very, very slightly. Remember, there's no substance today to this event. To the China deal. So it's a good sentiment. We talked about it earlier on the previous stream. Virgin Galactic is short squeezing. Someone asked me what's the best thing to buy today. I said Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is short squeezing now. We're up 7.65% today. I repeat, Virgin Galactic has over 26% short interest. It's now short squeezing. You ask for a miracle, I give you the FBI. You ask for a miracle, what to buy today? The S&P, it would be Virgin Galactic, I beg your pardon. This is short squeezing now. Very exciting. Just need volume for this to absolutely explode way past XRP's prediction of $10. All right? Palantir going down today. It's too expensive. Gold is down. Everyone's selling gold. Of course they're selling gold to buy tech. That's what happens. It's a piggy bank. Amazon is up 8% today, over $200 again. Apple up 4.61. Next year Energy up 0.83. Enphase Energy going back down, but up 5%. Coca-Cola, the piggy banks of the stock market being sold off. We've got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left to get just a few more, I think three more super chats, and then Sensei goes live. Sensei will do a live show for you. Coca-Cola, J&J also down today on all this news. Obviously, oil has gone up 3% today. Tesla is up, just trimming back. McDonald's going down today, 2.2. Google up today. Fantastic. That was the one I said was the best value. Microsoft, too expensive. That's why it's going down. Nvidia, $140 on the earnings. $140 on the earnings. It's at 122. Buy it through the S&P. All right, Walmart going down. Tilray Brands up 3.9. No big deal. I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. Robinhood, $58. We gave you a target of 40. It did that. We then said it's now an $80 stock. IonQ, too expensive. Don't touch it. Rocket Labs, too expensive. We love it, but too expensive. Plug Power, 93 cents. You cannot buy this now. You cannot buy it until you know legislation. You are gambling. Bitcoin has hardly moved. Bitcoin has hardly moved. XRP is taking over Bitcoin. Think of it. Think of where that can go. XRP today. There is our rundown on the show. Now then, is Sensei going to go live? Let me see how many... we've got in our goal. 7 out of 10. We need 3 more, and Sensei will do a special for you for Sensei XRP special. There it is, 7 out of 10. You've got 2 minutes and 31 seconds left. Sensei will go live. There's another one, I think.
Ricardo Rivera donated GTQ35 through a super chat. Let's do it.
It's through a super... I don't think that was $5. It's still 7 out of 10. Still 7 out of 10. We've got 2 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Is it going to happen? Live on the show, 7 out of 10. Are we going to get Sensei to go live? You've got 2 minutes and 2 seconds left. You've got 3 super chats left. $5 super chat, and Sensei will do a special XRP trading live show for you. And we're now at 1:50. 1 minute 50 to go. 7 to go. There it is. Is it going to happen? I don't know. 1:45. 7 out of 10. So close. 1 minute 38. You're running out of time. 1:31. 1:29. Let's have a look. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 2 to go. 2 to go. 1 minute 20. This is very, very exciting.
Thomas Conservative donated $10
Absolutely
through
fantastic.
a super chat.
1 minute
XRP
left.
will destroy them all.
2 minutes to go. Is it going to happen? It's getting very, very close. Hang on. 9 out of 10. 59 seconds to go. 59 seconds to go. 9 out of 10. Are we going to get there? Absolutely fantastic. Woo woo. Woo! What a day it's been so far. We're just warming up though, folks. There's the S&P now trimming off. Here it goes. This is why we said don't chase it. Don't chase it. Don't sell it either. Find an opportunity to buy some more. That's what we're saying. That's the message of the day. But there you go. We've got 9, whoops a daisy, 9, 27 seconds left. 24, 9. We need one more super chat for Sensei to go live. Are we going to do it?
Josh Monroe donated $5 through
10.
a super chat.
I think it's going to happen.
One of the members got margin call.
I think it's going to happen.
That. This
8
is
seconds.
The best, not financial advice.
There it is. Goal achieved. Goal achieved. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, audience, for making it possible. It's happening. Yeah, we did it. Absolutely great. Congratulations, everybody. We've got it. Sensei is going to go live. So an XRP special. This is amazing. All right. Very, very exciting stuff. So let me go and check over here. It's all selling off now. Now you might want to start laddering in. Essentially, I wouldn't be chasing it. Now it's going down. You've got an opportunity to buy this dip once again. Right. Let me just double check here for a moment. Duplicate. You're going to love this, by the way. This is really, really exciting. Flipping heck. Can't believe it. Right. Okay. Okay, there it is.
Brian Bynum donated $5 through a super chat. Have a break, Martin.
All right, okay. Right, now then, I'm going to do something very, very unusual that no one's going to predict. No one is going to predict this. No one is going to predict this.
Activision donated $5 through a super chat.
No one is going to predict what I'm about to do. I guarantee it. Okay. So this is going into here.
Jonathan Carter donated $4.99 through a super chat.
And this one, just stand by. This one is going to go into here. All right, no one is going to predict this. XRP selling off. Okay, there. Sensei's watching,
Plays
thinking, what
donated
is he doing? What's he going to do?
$4.99 through a super chat.
Okay, so here we go. What I'm going to do now is going to shock everybody. No one's going to see this coming. I think it's funny because no one knows what I'm about to do. I like playing stuff like this. Sensei's watching going, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you going to do? Don't worry about that. Don't you worry about what I'm going to do. You concentrate on something else. Right, okay. Stand by, AC. Right. Duplicate this. And I've just about got it set. And something that's going to shock and surprise everybody. But trust me, you want to do this.
Thomas Conservative donated $10 through a super chat. Do it.
Yeah, you're bloody right I'm going to do it. I'm going to confuse everybody. All right, I'm going to do it on purpose, but it's the best thing. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. All right? Okay, here we go. So this is what we're going to do, folks. I'm all set for it. I'm all set for it. So here's what's going to happen. You ready? Okay. We've got a huge XRP audience this morning watching. 531 likes, 1,300 watching live. You all want Sensei to go live. So I've just texted him to say that we're going to go live right after my Sensei's going to go live. Okay. As investors at XRP and crypto, we're always looking forward for the next thing. It's why I didn't celebrate this morning. I didn't get excited when I came live. I made 60 grand in a few days because we're always looking forward. We don't buy the pumps. We don't get excited. We do get excited at certain times, but this isn't the time to be excited because there's so many unknowns, uncertainties. It's all about sentiment. And as investors, not gamblers or YouTubers that pump videos, we are looking for the right to do the right thing by you so you can make 60 grand in a few days, all right? So what we're going to do is this. I've got Sensei live in his studio now preparing an XRP trading special event so you can make money from this. However, real investors knew when to buy this and they are up thousands of percent. They bought it at 38 cents or whatever it was, like we did. So we don't want you to FOMO in and buy. We want you to buy at the right price. But we also want you to be aware of what is about to come next. And we've spoken to you about, all of these predictions we've made have all come true, right? But we've also told you about the next thing to break. XRP, you're already in. In a few minutes, Sensei is going to do a full technical analysis for you and the charts and everything else, how you make money. But before then, I'm going to bring you something that's about to explode even more than this. Okay? And it's happening now. It's happening tonight. It's happening live tonight. So we got to look forward, not look back. We don't chase. We're always innovating and going ahead of everybody else, right? So space, the future, and EV tolls is the next big thing. And tonight, live on our show, Vaz is going to cover a live earnings for EVTOL for Archer Aviation, and it's going to be the biggest one on YouTube by miles. We've got people that I think Vaz is taking part in the call. He's talking directly with the company. We've got inside information, like we can talk directly with the people that work there. We've got some big news coming out today. All right, bigger than where XRP is going for the short term, right? So you want to know about that. So what we're going to do is this. Sensei is waiting to go live for an XRP special. But just before Sensei goes live, I'm going to do a very, very quick 5 minutes analysis on a stock that's going to explode tonight. So you can all join me. As I end this stream, it'll take you directly to where I'm going now. And I will give you a very quick analysis, and I will give you the link from there into Sensei's XRP special. So you need to be with me for the next 5 minutes. 5 minutes alone. This is going to blow up this stock 100%. And you want to be with me. So here is the link. This is where we're going right now for 5 minutes. We're going to cover the earnings live tonight. There's breaking news stories directly from the company throughout the day. My job is not to sell videos. I could go, let's do XRP all day. Let's make loads of money. My job is to give you the best information so you make money. So there's the link. We're going to go very, very quickly for a 5 minute live stream, 5 minutes, no more. Then that will end and take everyone to Sensei's XRP special. So follow me through the journey. Don't just click off and go XRP. No, calm, find the path and we'll bring it to you with the best XRP chart analysis you're going to get, but we're going to do it in a calm way, but also provide you with the information of the next thing, to be in the next thing. No one would have expected me to do that with 1,300 people watching. Go, Martyn, XRP. This is what you need to know. So I'm doing this because I know what's right for you. I know what is best for you. No one's even paying attention to this stock, but we are talking directly with the company. All right? So you don't want me to just ignore this and move on to the next thing. Sensei is waiting. He's going to do you the XRP chart analysis in just 5 minutes. This next live stream will take you there. Right, so let's go and do it. This is where Sensei will be in 5 minutes from now. He's ready to go. XRP pump. He's all ready to go. But first of all, we're going here for 5 minutes. Join me, be part of it, and I'll give you the link from here to there. Make sense? Okay, let's do it. Trust me, I'm here to help you. I'm not here to sell videos. I could much easier send you to XRP and make loads of money. All right, this is for your benefit. Trust me, you want to wait for the right time. Sensei's ready to go. All right, follow me now. Stay where you are. Click on the link. 5 minutes with the next stock you need to know, and then that will go straight into XRP special. Trust me, you want to do it this way around. Take care of yourselves and each other. Let's go.